Good evening, students. Arman, Amrita, Durlav, Sanyu, Vaishnavi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. So, I think almost 1 week gap. Everyone practiced triangles. We completed almost all. I think not almost all. Everything we done. We done some practice also. I told you in last class. Please practice and come with any doubts if you are having. Are you having any doubts in triangles?
No doubt, sir.
Please, I need, because it is little important and little bit more weightage topic. Please let me know. I'm giving a few minutes time. Go back your books and let me know anyone having any doubts. Students, please respond. Vaishnavi. Students, please respond. Sanyu, Durlav.
Yes, sir.
Anything need to be discussed from triangles?
No doubts.
So shall we come with some worksheets?
Okay.
Their focus is more on MCQs. So we will somebody can guide me. What are the things so far we completed? I will present my screen. Let me know where we are now and still how much we want to complete. Yeah. So we done number system. We done algebra. Because algebra, everything done, including second semester portions also we done in algebra. Am I right? Will you agree? Students, please.
Yes, sir.
We done algebra second semester syllabus also, and we done geometry also. Everything we done. What other thing is there for second semester? What is the second semester geometry? The second semester geometry is how much? The first semester geometry is what? So we done real numbers, completed real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations completed, quadratic equations also completed, and coordinate geometry we are not yet started. Triangles we done everything. So our next aim is in mensuration areas related to circles, statistic probability, only probability we are having. Can we write only probability we are having? Correct? This is the first term portions.
Yes, sir.
This is the first term portions. Real numbers we done, polynomials, pair of linear equations we done. So 2 chapters is carry forwarded to second semester. Pair of linear equations, quadratic equations, and when it comes to geometry, triangles, we done triangles. So what is the remaining thing here? Coordinate geometry, introduction to trigonometry, and areas related to circles. That means when it comes to introduction to trigonometry, only one chapter is there from introduction to trigonometry. Geometry we done, and coordinate geometry is fully is there. Coordinate geometry. Concepts of coordinate geometry, graphs of linear equations, distance formula, sections formula. That's it. Is there anything is there in second chapter? No. So the entire coordinate geometry is there. The entire coordinate geometry is there. And probability. In mensuration, only areas related to circles. And probability, statistics and probability, only probability. So one chapter from here, one chapter from here, one chapter from here. So the majority, the major, like little bit big topics was completed. So guys, I'm leaving up to you people which chapter we can start. We can start coordinate geometry, or we will start trigonometry, or we will go for areas related to circles. Which you want?
Trigonometry, sir.
Sir, coordinate geometry.
The coordinate geometry, sir.
Sir, coordinate geometry.
Yeah. So we can complete in this week itself coordinate geometry. After that, I will go for mensuration. Then only 2 topics will remain, or we will start with the trigonometry, because coordinate geometry is very small topics which already started in grade 11. Grade 9 itself we started. Introduction of the coordinate geometry started in grade 9 itself. Yeah. So before entering the topic, anyone can briefly explain what are the things you done in grade 9 of coordinate geometry? What is the meaning of coordinate geometry? First of all, what is a geometry, guys? Anyone having any idea what is the meaning of geometry? Geometry, measuring the earth by taking some reference system. So we are having different kind of reference system. Anyone can explain what are the reference systems we are having? Real axis. Guys, will able to hear understand what I'm talking? Students, please respond.
Sir, what were you asking, sir? We did not understand properly.
What are the different types of reference systems? What is meant by reference system? What is meant by reference system? What is meant by a reference system? What is meant by a reference system? For example, real axis is one kind of reference system. Real axis is one kind of reference system. Arita, please, anyone? Reference system means if I want to explain something, sometimes I will take. Suppose in mechanics or in physics, if I want to explain an object is started and an initial point is O, we'll start like this. This is my reference point. With respect to this, I will talk everything. This is t is equal to 0. Your distance is 0 from here. That means this is a reference point where you are considered. Same as real axis. Real axis means our number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. Same as we done coordinate reference system. What is this coordinate reference system? What is anyone can brief what knowledge you are having about this system? What is this? To a plane. Suppose if I'm taking my screen is a plane. Yes, please, madam, please carry on.
So this is called a Cartesian plane, sir. It has an origin of 0 into 0 coordinates.
Yeah, this whole Cartesian plane is divided into 4 segments. Each segment is called quadrant.
Yes, so there are 4 quadrants, sir.
Yes.
X and y-axis and x-axis.
Yes. So what is the purpose of these coordinate systems? I can explain of any point with respect to x-axis and with respect to y-axis. So here, in case of number line, if I want to say 3 means I have to start from 0, 3 units. And this number line is always not much helpful to understand certain things. A few parts of geometry we can able to do very easily with the help of this reference system. That's the reason we are trying to adapt this kind of reference system. Suppose if I am talking about a position here, I am walking 3 units along x-axis and 2 units along y-axis. That means this is called, if I'm walking like this is a position. After some time I'm reached this position P. How I can mention that my position is P? Usually my position P I can't say with O, because if I'm saying the position P is some x units, it might be in any direction x units. But here, if I want to specific particular exact position, along x-axis 3 units, along y-axis 2 units, this is 3, 2. What is the meaning of 3? What is the meaning of 2 here? There is a name for this. X-ordinate is called what?
Axis and ordinate.
This is called coordinates. So 2 numbers you are putting in a brackets and it is having an order. That's the reason this is called an ordered pair. So if it is an ordered pair, x comma y, y comma x, both are different. If I'm saying this is an ordered pair, it represents, first number represents x coordinate, second number represents y coordinate. So another name of x coordinate is what? Another name of x coordinate is what? Can you give the names of x
Sir,
coordinate?
x-axis or
Abscissa.
abscissa, sir.
Yes. Abscissa and
Ordinate.
ordinate. So in 9th standard, what are the things we've done? Students, what are the things we completed in grade 9? Anyone? What are the things we've done in grade 9? You know how to mark the points in a reference system, correct? That's only we done in grade 9. Will you agree? Or more than that, anything you've done? Please respond, guys. We know how to mark the points given coordinates in a reference system. That's it, or anything more than that, anything we done? Rita, please respond. Durlav, Sanyu. Guys, please. Based on your response only, I can move forward a little bit fast. Arman, Ardhav, Adharva, Durlav, please. Janavi, Aditi. Anything done more than that? Yeah. So I'm going to continue what we done in grade 9. I'm having a reference system. I gave the 2 points. I gave the points 2, 3, 5, 4. Anyone can able to mark these points? How to mark these points, students? How to mark these points? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 5. Anyone can give the marking? How we will mark, students? Suppose this is a point P. This is
Axis and 3 from y-axis. There we have to correlate and mark a point over there.
So first I have to draw a dotted line at 3, at 2 on x-axis. So what is the point of intersection is called P, correct?
Yes.
2, 3. And 5, 4. This is 5 on x-axis. I will take with red color. And 4 on y-axis. This is Q. And I am joining P and Q. If I am asking you to find the length of PQ, how to do for any situation, each and every time I can't trace here and I can't calculate with the scale. Suppose if the points are very huge distance, which can't be useful more than 30 centimeter. I can't trace on the graph each and every time. For each and every small question, I can't use the graph paper. Practically, always I can't approach. So there is some analytical method I have to approach here. So when I was marking the points itself, I found that this distance is 2 units and this distance is 3 units and this distance is 4 units and this distance is 4 units. This is the 4 units distance and this is 5 units. So what I'm doing is, instead of 2 comma 3 and 5 comma 4, I am taking x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Suppose if I am giving p is x1 comma y1, q is x2 comma y2 anywhere in the coordinate system, anywhere in Cartesian coordinate plane. How to calculate the distance between p and q? How to calculate the distance between p and q? It will be very easy to do. To understand, I am assuming, I don't know the signs, I am assuming both are in first quadrant. You can take in any quadrant or you can do, but to avoid confusion, I am taking. So this is x1 distance, this is x2 distance. For example, I am considering like that. 0, this is x1 distance, this is x2 distance. So this is y1 distance, somewhere here is y2. If I am joining a line at x1, y1, this is a point P. We know point P is x1, y1. And if I'm joining y2, this is q, x2, y2. And I'm joining PQ. I join PQ like this. I want to know the length of this red color. So to calculate this, I know from the previous topics, from the triangles, right angle triangle or some other methods only, I know how to calculate that. I am framing a right angle triangle with respect to P and Q. This is you can see this is a right angle triangle. I am extending y1 to P1 and up to here. This I am extending up to here. And where it is joining at O. How to calculate the length of OP? How to calculate length of OQ, guys? Here, my length of OP is, suppose if I am taking this is A and this is B, length of OP is nothing but OA minus PA. My OA is x2, PA is x1. Same as length of OQ. I want this length. This length I calculated as x2 minus x1. How I can calculate OQ length? OQ length is, suppose if I am taking A, B, C, D. OQ can be calculated as, how to calculate the OQ? DQ minus DO. DQ is how much? y2 minus y1. So this length is y2 minus y1. So I'm taking the right angle triangle concept here. See here, the triangle is like this. This is P, O, Q. This OQ is y2 minus y1. OP is x2 minus x1. And this is a right angle triangle at O. If I am applying the Pythagoras theorem, my PQ square will be equal to OP square plus OQ square. And the value of PQ is how much? Square root of OP square plus OQ square. That means the length of the PQ for in a coordinate system, the distance between 2 points in a Cartesian coordinate plane is OP square is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If I want to convert into English statement, the distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane is equal to square root of subtraction of the squares of the ordinates and abscissas. Ordinates and abscissas. It is very simple. If I'm giving 2 points, if I'm asking you to calculate the distance between them without tracing, take the subtraction of x coordinates, take the subtraction of y coordinates and square it and add it and take under the root. These 3 arithmetic calculations, if you do, you will get the length of the line which is joining PQ. Is it clear, guys? How I calculate? The derivation is not important. We are going to do MCQ, so the derivation is not important. You have to calculate. You have to keep it in mind. If I am giving 2 points, how to calculate the length? Based on that, we are having some applications. P is x1 comma y1. Q is x2 comma y2. The length of the PQ is known as distance formula. Subtraction of x2 minus x1 whole square plus subtraction of y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. This is the expression which will give the distance between 2 points anywhere in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Cartesian coordinate plane, and this formula is known as distance formula. And whatever the thing we done previously, that is a derivation for this distance formula. Hope you are understood, guys. I just used the Pythagoras theorem and general geometry. More than that, I didn't use anything here. How to mark the points in the coordinate system and application of the Pythagoras theorem, if you know, you can able to prove this one also. Is it clear, students, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Shall we set some numericals based on this? Shall we start some numericals? That's it. Based on distance formula, what to do? First, we will start with simple numericals based on distance formula. Who is going to explain first numerical? Find the distance between two comma 3 and 5 comma 4. Who is going to explain this question? So first 1 or 2 times you compare with formula. After that, no need to write formula. Just you write distance formula will be equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. Here 2 comma 3 is your x1 comma y1. 5 comma 4 is your x2 comma y2. So suppose if I am taking this is A and this is B, the distance of AB is equal to x2 minus x1. This is your x2, this is your y2. This is your x1, this is y1. If I want to avoid confusion, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 4. So write under the equations. 5 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. Subtraction of x coordinates plus subtraction of square of the subtraction of y coordinates. 3 square plus 1 square. So the answer is root 10 units. Hope you are clear how I done this question. Students, please let me know. Anything is not clear from this?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. One more question. So these are the very simple questions based on the distance formula, but what questions we may get in examination point of view. Here, the formula is same, only we have to apply the same formula in a single question 2-3 times. The question is like this. Do the points (3, 2) Yeah, before going to that, one or two questions, I will go with the A is equal to 3 comma 2, B is equal to minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma minus 3, C is equal to 2 comma 3. Find A, B, B, C and AC. Please guys, I am waiting for your answers. Respond. Who is going to calculate? Everyone please calculate and let me know what is the AB value, BC value and AC value. Please. Students, please respond. What is the AB value? What is the AB value, guys? AB is equal to minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square. This will give 25 plus 25. This is root 50. BC is equal to 2 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus of minus 3 whole square. This will be equal to 2 minus of minus 2, 4 square plus 6 square. 16 plus 36. What is the answer? 20, 52 under the root. AC will be equal to 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. This will be 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square is 1. 3 minus 2 is plus 1 whole square is 1 under the root. This is root 2. What is the answer you got? Is the same answer you got? Students, please let me know. Is the same answers you got? You got the same answer, root 50, root 52, root 2. Please, guys, I'm shouting here. Please, someone respond yes or no or don't know something.
Same answer, sir.
Same answer, sir.
Half an hour. Shall I go for one more question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Show that A 1 comma 7, B 4 comma 2, C minus 1 comma minus 1, D minus 4 comma plus 4 are the vertices of a square. What is this meaning? They gave the 4 points. If I am joining these 4 points, this will form a square. What is the condition to say that particular quadrilateral is a square? Students, what condition? All the sides should be same, correct?
Yes, sir.
And is this enough? All the sides are same even in rhombus also. All the sides are same in even in rhombus also. Then how you can differ a rhombus and a square?
All
the
angles are
sides
90 degree we have.
will conclude either it is a square or either it is a rhombus. So which extra condition will helpful for us to confirm it is a square or to confirm it is a rhombus? Anyone? What is the difference between square and rhombus? Here it is not possible to calculate the angle. We are having only distance formula. I can able to find out AB value, BC value, CD value, AD value using the distance formula. With the help of that information, how I can decide ABCD is a square?
So the
Yes, somebody is trying
diagonals
to
are
The diagonal should be equal. Sir.
in square, diagonals are equal. All the sides are square in both the quadrilaterals. Here, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are not equal. So, what is our job here? First, calculate AB, BC, CD, AD. Once you got all the values are same, then you conclude all the four sides of the quadrilateral is same. So it might be square or rhombus. So find the diagonals. The diagonals are what? AC and AD. Sorry, AC and BD. So your question is, you have to apply the distance formula 6 times. If the diagonals are same, then conclude it is a square. If the diagonals are not same, then conclude it is a rhombus. But he is asking whether it is square or not. So find all the four sides, find the diagonal lengths. All four sides are equal and length of the diagonals also equal, then you can confirm it is a square. So please calculate what is the length of AB. Anyone calculated already length of AB value? Please students, anyone already calculated the length of the AB value? Anyone got the AB value? Students? Arita?
So root 34, sir.
Yeah. Is everyone got the root 34? Durlav, Sanyu, please. Is AB is root 34?
Yes, sir.
AB 4 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 7 whole square. This is 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 plus 25, root 34. What about BC value? Minus 1 minus 4 whole square.
Root 10, sir.
Minus 1 of minus 2. How root 10, madam? This is also I am getting root 34 only. Check your answers whether it is root 34 or some other thing. My CD value minus 4 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 whole square. 4 minus of minus 1 is 4 plus 1 whole square. I am writing little bit directly because minus of minus 1 and all I am writing directly. I am not elaborating because you have to do 6 times here. So 9 plus 25 here. This is also root 34. AD value. AD is 1 minus of minus 4 is 1 plus 4 whole square. 7 minus 4 whole square. This is 25 plus 9. This is also root 34. Now, I concluded AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. This condition will help us to say whether it is a square or rhombus he concluded. So how I can conclude out of square or rhombus which diagram it is? You have to calculate AC value. So AC will be equal to 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus of minus 1 whole square. This is 2 square plus 8 square. 4 plus 64. So one diagonal is root 68. Check the length of the other diagonal. Other diagonal is what? BD. BD is how to calculate BD? B is 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma 4. 4 minus of minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square. This is 8 square plus 2 square. 64 plus 4 equal to 68. So I'm getting diagonals also equal. All the sides are equal and length of the diagonals also equal. Then what is a conclusion statement, students? From above, all the sides are equal and diagonals also equal.
Therefore, just proved as a square.
So A, B, C, D are the vertices of a square. So I'm going to deal with some basics. I'm going to deal with some basics of triangles from your grade 8 and 7. In a triangle, this is a triangle ABC. If AB plus BC is always greater than AC, sum of the two sides of a triangle is always must be greater than AC. Am I right? This is a condition to form a triangle. In any triangle, sum of two sides is never less than third side. Will you agree? Friends, please. Yes or no? Will you able to recollect this condition? Anyone can able to remember this condition? And what is the condition for isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle? What is the condition for isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle? Students, if I am giving three sides, how we will know it is an isosceles triangle, it is an equilateral triangle, it is an right angle triangle, it is an acute triangle and an obtuse triangle, and whether it is forming a triangle or not. How you will know? Anyone can explain the conditions of these statements, these points? Some you, anyone? Guys, say yes or no. Kshita, Amrita, please, Arman. How many people know what is the conditions with respect to sides? If I am giving the length of the triangle, how you can say this is right angle triangle, sir? This is equilateral triangle, sir. This is isosceles triangle, and this will form triangle or not? And this is an acute angle triangle. This is an obtuse angle triangle. How we will know? Anyone? Anyone can able to recollect?
Sir, if it is isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal, sir. Equilateral triangle.
Yes, please
Sir?
let me write here. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, correct?
Yes, sir.
An equilateral triangle,
All sides are equal, sir.
all sides are equal. Right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
Acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square is is right angle triangle. What is AB square plus BC square is greater than AC square? AB square plus BC square is less than AC square. Which triangle you will get? Which condition is for a cube? Which condition for is obtuse? Please check and let me know. Think over it. 1 minute time I am giving.
Sir, AB square plus BC square greater than AC square is for obtuse, sir. And AB square plus BC square is less than AC square is for obtuse, sir.
This is for obtuse. This is for a cube. Will you agree? Yeah. So these are the, and first of all, whether it will form a triangle or not. How we will know 3 points can form a triangle? This is a condition. Sum of any two sides must be greater than the remaining side. Sum of any two sides must be greater than third side. Then only it will form a triangle. These are the important points which you have to recollect from your earlier stages. Now, when you can say 3 points are on same line, when you can say 3 points are on same line, students, how you will differ if I am giving A is a point x1 comma y1, B is a point x2 comma y2, and C is a point x3 comma y3. If I'm asking you to check whether 3 points are on same line or not, if A, B, C are on same line, then the points A comma B comma C are called collinear points. Collinear points. If 3 points are same line on same line, then those 3 points are called collinear points. When you can say, suppose if I am saying A, B, C are on same line. If it is like this, sum of any two sides must be equal to third side, which is exactly opposite to your triangle condition. This triangle, it is, if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then I can say all the 3 points are on same line, which will not form the triangle, which will not form any kind of triangle. It won't form because the sum of two sides never equal to third side. It must be greater than the third side. Even it should not less than the third side also. So these are the conditions will be required to deal the questions related to triangles or collinear points. Whenever they are asking the check whether these 3 points are collinear or not, just you have to find out the AB value, BC value, AC value. If AB, take any two least values, you will get 3 different values of AB, BC, and AC. Sum of the two least values will be equal to remaining third value. Then I can say ABC are in collinear. If not, check sum of any two sides is greater than third side or not. Then it will form a triangle. So these are the conditions which is very much important from your earlier stages to keep it in mind to understand collinearity condition, condition for right angle triangle, condition for isosceles triangle, and condition for scalene triangle, or what are the triangle they are asking, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, or rectangle. They may ask square, they may ask rhombus, they may ask parallelogram, any kind of questions they may ask. So shall we start some numericals with the help of this data? Let's see whether we can able to proceed exercise questions with the help of this data. Exercise 7.1 is, it's very simple, marking the points and calculating the distance. It's very simple. So he is going to do first question, which already done. Is asking find the distance between the 2 points. So, Sunny, can you try the first question? His first question is easy or not? They gave the 2 point. They are asking us the distance. Suppose these
Sir.
2 points.
Right, sir.
Yeah. 1, 1. My A is 2, 3. B is 4, 1. So AB is equals 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. How much? 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. I got answer is root 8 or 2. Same as Harita. What is the second question answer? 1.2 is answer. 1.2. Anyone got? I'm assuming my A point is
So root 30.
5, 7. My point B is minus 1, 3. So AB will be equal to minus 5 minus of minus 1 whole square 7 minus 3 whole square. Minus 5 minus of minus 1 is minus 5 plus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 3 is 4 square. So 16 4 minus 4 square plus 4 square. This is 16 plus 16. This is a little bit elaborative explanation. You can skip some steps if it is 4 or 5 times you are doing in a single question. In MCQs and all, no need to show. You practice more, then you can able to skip the steps and without any errors, you can able to solve the question easily. So moving to the question number 3 in this.
So 2 root A square plus B square.
A comma B minus A comma minus B. So this is P, this is Q. If I am taking the length of the PQ is equals minus A whole square plus minus B whole square. This is 2A whole square plus 2B whole square. 4A square plus 4B square. If I am taking 4 common, what is our answer, madam?
Sir, 4. So 2 common, sir. 2 root A square plus B square.
Square plus B square. 2 root A square plus B square. We can continue this question in 7.2, but can you try the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15? Second question. He is asking distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15. Whenever they are asking find out the distance between origin and some other point, the answer is simple. Suppose if I am taking this is O and this is A, OA is equal to square root of x square plus y square. If it is 0, 0, this is x, y, x minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. So 36 square plus 15 square. How much?
Root 1521.
Root
21.
21. Is it correct? 36 square plus 15 square. Yes. How much? Root of 1521 is
39.
sorry
39.
39 or 49? Is it 39? Madam, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Only one is responding, please. 1521. Guys, what happened? How only one student can able to answer all the questions? What happened? Amruta, Akshita, other, Durlav, please, Arman.
Sir, same answer.
Yeah. Next one. Check whether they gave the 3 points. They're forming the vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. Yeah. So determine the points are collinear or not. What is the condition to calculate the collinearity? So assume the points are A is 1.5, 1 comma 5, B is 2 comma 3, and C is minus 2 comma minus 11. So find out the AB value, BC value, and AC value. First you find out these three values and let me know what are the answers for us. Apply the distance formula and let me know what is the AB value, BC value, and AC value.
Sir, AB is equal to root 5.
BC,
Sir, root 212.
212. Is BC is root 212?
Yes, sir.
What about AC value?
Sir, root 265.
Root 265. Is it form a straight
No,
line?
sir.
No. Why it is not?
So because AB plus BC is not equal to AC.
Yeah, these are the two small sides. AB plus BC is not equal to AC. And even it won't form a triangle also. Check the answers whether my distances are correct or not, please, guys. Everyone, I'm expecting answer from everyone. AB 1 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 3 whole square. So 1 plus 4, root 5. BC 2 minus of minus 2, 4 square, 3 minus of minus 11, 14 square, 196 plus 16. So 212. AC 1 minus of minus 2, 3 square plus 5 minus of minus 11, 16 square. 3 square plus 16 square is how much? 3 square plus 16 square. $265. So AB plus BC
Sir,
is
root
not
9 plus 256.
sorry.
Sir,
9.
root 9 plus 256, sir, which is equal to root 265.
So it is not forming a any kind of it is not collinear. That's it. Same
They are
as
not correct.
can you do the question number 4? Check whether the given points are vertices of the isosceles triangle or not. How we will do this question? Same method, same concept is same. Only based on their lengths we have to decide whether it is isosceles triangle or not. It may form some other thing, but whether we have to check whether it is isosceles or not. Fourth question, my A is 5 comma minus 2, B is 6 comma 4, C is 7 comma minus 2. Find AB value, BC value, AC value. Calculate and let me know what is AB value and BC value and AC value.
Sir, AB is root 37.
AB is,
Root 37, sir.
yes, correct. AB is root 37.
So BC is also root 37.
BC is also root 37 because 6 minus 7 is 1, 4 minus 1 minus 2 is 6, 6 square plus 1 square is root 37. Correct. What about AC? 5 minus 7, 2, minus 2 of minus 2, 0. So it is root 4 is, that is 2 is coming for me.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? Guys, what is the answer?
What is the condition used here, sir?
They are asking whether it is isosceles triangle or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, isosceles triangle.
Isosceles. Two sides are equal and sum of any two sides is greater than third side. If I am taking AB plus BC is greater than AC.
Sir, AB is equal to
AB
BC
plus
is equal to root 37.
AC. Correct. And we have to check whether it is forming triangular or not. ABC plus AC is also greater than AB. So it is forming a triangle first of all. And two sides of the triangle is same. AB is equal to BC. So two sides of a triangle is same. If two sides of the triangle is same, then it will form an isosceles triangle. So how we will do fifth question? Just we will discuss the fifth question, and fifth and sixth and seventh, fifth, sixth, I am giving as a homework. We'll meet in the next class with the rest of the questions, but try fifth question. How to do the fifth question, guys? Any idea how to do the fifth question? First
So we
mark.
need to find the distance between AB, BC, and CD and AD.
What is the marking of A? What is the coordinates of A? 3, 4.
Yes.
What is the coordinates of 6? D 6, 1. C is 9, 4. B is 6, 7. So now we are having ABCD coordinates. What is asking? ABCD is a square or not? Check whether ABCD is a square or not. So what is the condition? Find all the four sides, two diagonals. Length of the diagonals are same and all the sides are same. Then it is a square. If not, it is a rhombus. Will you try, guys? Shall we meet in the next class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We'll meet in the next class. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.